Good morning, Earth scientists of Middle School East, 8th grade, Team A, with Mr. Payne and Mrs. Anderson. All right, it's Wednesday. It is April 12th. We are going to get another work day on our menu project. So, our game plan today is to finish our menu project. But hey, tomorrow is a big day as well. We have our test. Our study guides are due, and the menu project is due. So all that stuff is due tomorrow. So let's make sure that we're getting a lot of work done today. Our do now question: What do we have? What do you have left to finish? And what's your plan if you don't finish? Are you going to finish it at home tonight? Do you have baseball practice? Do you have track? Do you have whatever? Am I going to work on it right away when I get home, and then I have hockey practice, and then whatever. Come up with a plan so that it is finished for tomorrow. Our goal today is I can show my understanding of the Earth, Moon, Sun system by doing the menu project. So we've kind of talked about, your different options for an appetizer, vocabulary, working on the chapter review. We've talked about the different things with your main course electronic examples. Again, we're not copying and pasting. This was a simple Google search, copy, paste. This is not showing enough information with a seasons drawing, making sure that we're turning in a quality product. Now, I want to talk a little bit about desserts. So you have three different questions that you can respond to. Again, it's choice. Do you want to talk about seasons? Do you want to talk about the length of a day, month, year? Or do you want to talk about solar and lunar eclipses? Students, excuse me, students, when you have a question like this, will typically go right out into the old Google machine and hey, let's type that in. What causes seasons? Well, this is the first website that pops up. And I have read hundreds of desserts that start with this sentence. As Earth spins on its axis, producing night and day, it also moves about the sun in an elliptical, elongated circle. That's called plagiarism. You can't copy and paste from the internet. That's plagiarism. That will get you a 0. Um, let's go out to the Google machine. Let's type in what's the difference between solar and lunar eclipses. Boom, first thing that pops up. Solar eclipses may be classified in either total or which the moon is completely covers or an annular. That is plagiarism. Again, I've read word for word um, that response for people's desserts. You cannot go out and plagiarize off the internet. That does not work. That will get you a 0. All right. Again, we're working with 20 points. It is summative. Just doing everything is going to get you 16 points. That is a B minus. That is above average. But really, when you get that wow factor, you really got to wow myself or Mrs. Anderson to get that 5 out of 5 for your appetizer, 10 out of 10 for your main course, and 5 out of 5 for your dessert. Can we tell that you put some time and effort into your project? Because remember, this is all review. You are using this stuff to review for your test. Um, we are going to be checking things off in class today. Obviously, you're not in class to get things checked off, but you can be working on getting them completed. And then we also have a test coming up tomorrow. So that means you could be working on a study guide. There will be a Socrative that will be open as well. So prepping for tomorrow's test as well as finishing up the menu project is going to be our goal for the day. Reach out with questions. Have a wonderful day. It is finally spring outside. The weather looks glorious and beautiful. Take care.